smile and play. We'll draw something new every day.
Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Create. Today, we are drawing something super fun and easy, a cute pencil. But that's not all. There's more fun waiting for you. Stick around for a cool fun fact and a free coloring page of this drawing. I'll show you how to get it soon. Did you know pencils can write underwater, making them super cool for underwater explorers? You're doing an amazing job. Remember, it's okay if your lines aren't perfect. Mine aren't always either. That's what makes art fun. Imagine who you would draw this for, maybe as a gift for your best friend, a surprise for someone in your family, or just for someone who loves colorful art as much as you do. Now that our pencil is drawn, it's time to bring it to life with colors. And here's something exciting. This exact drawing is available as a free coloring page for you to download. The link is in the description below, so don't miss it. Wow! You did an amazing job today. Don't forget to download the free coloring page link in the description. It's the perfect way to color this drawing as many times as you like. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kids Create for more fun drawing adventures. See you next time.